Hi, I'm Mayor John Engen. This is Commissioner Josh Slotnick, and this is our daily update for the 23rd of March, 2020. Commissioner.
Thanks, Mr. Mayor. So I want to let you all know today that buses have begun delivering, school buses that is, have begun delivering food, breakfast and lunch, and sometimes dinner to MCPS kids. They're going on their typical bus routes. And if you want details on how you can pick up food, go to the MCPS website and it'll all be there.
So we're all learning new terminology among those new items in our vocabulary are PPE, that's personal protective equipment. We had an update this morning that the national stockpile is being deployed, and we hope to have some good news around that personal protective equipment coming to Montana here in relatively short order. That means masks, those respirators, and the other things that keep health workers and first responders safe. So we're looking forward to seeing more of that. In the meantime, we have equipment at the Missoula Fire Department that can be reused, and we're reusing it. The challenge with that is it looks scary. So if you see firefighters showing up on medical aid calls or rolling around town in Tyvek suits and breathing apparatus, that looks very scary and sort of science fiction-y. That's just equipment that we can sanitize and reuse, and we're using that so that we can maintain that stockpile of disposable equipment.
So when you head to the grocery store and buy the things you need, please don't overbuy. Right now we're experiencing some shortages, and this isn't because of supply chains or actual shortages. This is because people are sitting on dozens and dozens of cases of toilet paper. So these are self-imposed shortages. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Think about others.
Stay home. To the degree that you can, stay home. What we're hearing pretty relentlessly from the scientific community is the way to really temper the spread of this virus in communities just like ours and around the world is to avoid contact. So that social distancing remains critical, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to stay home if you can, work from home if you can, entertain yourself at home if you can, and I recognize that's a tall order, but if you can make a conscious decision, which I did over the weekend, to not do some of the things that I normally do, please do, because it will make a difference.
So the health department and the governor's office have issued some closures on businesses where people typically congregate, things like bars and restaurants. But we'd really like to encourage other businesses to limit their hours. Think about closing, think about your employees, and I'm referring to salons, body art places, nail salons, anything where there was real close contact with people. I would strongly encourage business owners, close those down, think about your employees. And if you have to buy something, I tried this out this weekend, you can, for most stores, you can call in, pay for it with a credit card, and they'll bring it out to your car at the curb. Stay out of places with crowds.
Most grocery stores are also doing curbside delivery, and don't forget our local restaurants are still open and running and providing fabulous food in a takeout format.
Go buy some takeout.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.